average marks of a certain number of students in a class is A. Okay, so average is A, number of student is X, so sum becomes AX. Now Arvind joins the class. Next case, Arvind joins the class. The average marks of the student increases to A plus 2. Next case, when Arvind joins, here Arvind joins, then average increases to A plus 2 and number of student increases by 1. So the sum becomes A plus 2 into X plus 1. Now, if we further include the marks of a new student Adarsh, so now here Adarsh joins. When Adarsh joins, the average marks of the class increases to A plus 4. So the average increases to A plus 4. Also, number of student increases by 1 because Adarsh is joining. So it has become X plus 2. So the sum of marks in all these three cases, I am writing here. Okay. What is asked is, what is the difference in the marks of Arvind and Adarsh? So let's just assume marks of Arvind as P and marks of Adarsh as Q. So I know precisely this sum is AX, sum before joining of Arvind plus Arvind's mark, and this sum is Adarsh has joined after Arvind. So this sum is equal to sum of marks including Arvind plus when Adarsh joins. So I am comparing just these two equations. First of all, this is equal, so I am multiplying it. What I get? AX plus A plus 2x plus 2 is equal to AX plus P. So from here, I get P as A plus 2x plus 2. Now comparing these, equating these two, what would I get? AX plus 4x plus 2a plus 8 is equal to AX plus P plus Q. And I know AX plus P is already equal to this much. So AX plus V, I can write it as AX plus A plus 2x plus 2 plus Q. And from here, AX cancels and Q becomes 4 A, moving A here, A left plus 2x plus 8 minus 2 is 6. So I am getting P as A plus 2x plus 2 and I am getting Q as A plus 2x plus 6. Now what is asking, what is the difference of Arvind and Adarsh marks? So from here I can see Q is more than P. So the difference, positive difference, Q minus P is how much? A2x cancels, 6 minus 2 is 4 marks. So the difference in the marks of Arvind and Adarsh is 4 marks.